Okay, so we started both cameras. Okay, great. So just don't trip on this. Alright, so I got this going on. Alright, so now, okay, great. So we got that going on. Here's this. Today is 2 April 2022. Okay, we've got here's the door that came off of here. Alright, and then we have, here's the model that we bought to replace just the door. And this one doesn't have, you can't see the thing in there. Right? So, and then of course we have another model here. Here's another model here, right? This one does have the switch cap covers and all that, but that's not what this video is about. So, without further ado, I want to, I guess, move this stuff out of the way, put this in your pocket. Okay, and then the demonstration tape. Let's see here. Power cord. Alright, so once again, this goes in the back, and then if we, it's in off mode, but if we take our tape, stick it in here and hit play. So that works. Okay. Just hit stop. There is no eject. Okay, so we just pull that out. And the other one, the power switch doesn't work. Okay. So we don't have anything to remove. So now we're going back to the computer. Look at our, oops, wrong one. Wait. Over here. No, not there. Actually, where did we find these? There they are. Okay, so get rid of this search, that search. Don't need that or that. We need this. Okay, so here are, alright, so where are we? This is inside the, there we go. So there's the screws that came out. So this only had 4 screws, right? So, and they're here. So let's get the screws out. All right, so. And we need a easy outer. So let me get one of these. There we go. There we go, that's one out. This might be the most boring video, but that's ready. So this is gonna be, see, this is what I dig with all the time. Is this stuff. Come on, get off of there. No, I can't put on that. So, and then that one, and down there and here. Where's my flashlight? Where's the blue one? Here's the blue one. Okay, give me the blue one. Okay, so, alright, so now that, alright, so that. There's one there. And one here. Okay, so okay, great. So that, this, that. Okay. This one had 5 screws, unlike the picture, which only shows 4. And then what's the next picture? Okay, so the front comes off, right? So we got to remove this. Because all we're interested in doing is getting the front off, right? So now just, so there we go. So now just, well, rattling about. And this side folds itself in. Great. Okay. Come on now. There we go. So, yep. Okay. Then this has got a one plug for that. Okay, so this other plug goes to that there. There's that plug. And this is a, it's what? Well, okay. Unplug that. Okay, and then we can separate the front from the back. So there's the front or the back, whatever. We don't need that. I know that works. So let's see here. Here's the inside. Here's the door. Here's the part that's broke off. Okay, so what we need is we need to. It's not going to sit there. Okay. We need to find the part that was rattling about in here. There it went. And here it is. What's that? Okay, that came off the table. All right, so here's the here's the part that goes onto here. Sort of like that, but it's broke, so not much we can do about that. So there we are. So there's that. So now we take this one here, which we can't even power on because the it's just not there, right? Don't even know if it works, but we're gonna see. I need to take this off. Right, so pull that off. Got there. Go back to the back. We got one there, not there, one there, and we can't see in this hole. All right, so just see here. Out here. Alright, we're gonna have to play around with this one. Alright, so we're gonna need a green one, I think. Yeah. Okay, so we need to get the dirt out of this. Back to the air. So now let's see if we can get into here. Great. So put this back. There we go. That had some dirt in it. Okay, so take that away. Let me say here. Great. And then here. Alright, so great. Now, that's it. So, what to do with the, here it is. So, there's those. Okay, so now, we need to open the check door. Okay, so we need to just walk this off, right? Fine. Yep. Oh boy. Really? Well, did get all the screws out, right? Okay, we can't see. That's got dirt in it. Let's see here. Can't tell. Can't see in the home. I think there's a screw in there. So I'll just, let's try. Oh, there was one in there. How about that? Okay. There we go. So now, back to opening this thing up. Well, okay. Brief. All right. Let's check the battery compartment because I can't remember. Oh, there are screws in there. How about that? Ha. There wasn't one in the other one, but here they are. So. Okay. Okay. Well, trial and error. That's how it works. You're not really sure? Check everything. Okay, so now the, well, okay, fine. Well, okay, there we go. So, wow. Oh, you see all that junk came out of here? I have to run the vacuum in here now. Okay. Well, let's check. Get the screw out of there. There's no screw in there. You got that one out, right? Okay, just well. It just clipped itself back in. Darn. Well, okay, let's try and pry it open. Give me the red screwdriver. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. So I okay, there we go. I just need this to, there we go, yay. Okay. Okay, we got the same. Okay, so let me get my camera here because I like to record the events as they happen, sort of. I just want to prove that, well, okay. So, very good. And then Okay, great. So alright, and then just while we're at it, let me see here. So just okay, great. Never take enough pictures. Alright, so this one's the same way. You just unplug this from there, right? There we go. And this one from here. Come on. Gosh darn it, just great. And we can get this now off of here. Right, so there's that off of there. Here's that. It needs a door. Okay, so alright, so this one has a complete door, right? So you're not even seeing that really, you're seeing more of my table. Let me move this down, there we go. Yeah, okay, so, yeah, well, I can't be everywhere with the cameras. Let's see here, so now what? Okay, to get this one off you need that off of there. The other screwdriver's too big, so we get a screwdriver we know will work. Okay, so this on here. That one. That. We got that gear off of there. Okay. And we can just squeeze these together like that. And the door will fall out. Great. There we are. Got a new door. Yay. And it's got both pieces. Unlike the door here, which doesn't have both pieces. So there we are. So they both say the same thing. They both look the same. Just this is a little dirty. So we will just put this aside for the time being because I want to know what is wrong with this one here. Okay, so this one's missing a power switch. Alright, so I didn't need to take this apart, but I need to get up here onto this switch and see. Okay, alright, so it does have a switch. Alright, but I want to see it better, and the only way to get to it better is to undo the antenna display. And, okay, so that's clipped here, clips there, right? So if we push this clip back, right? Push this clip back and we lift up. Oh, okay. There's 3 clips. Okay, so there's that one. Let's run this over to one end, or in the middle, I should say. Okay, so just let's see, let me do it like this. Okay, that's up. Okay, and then that's up. Okay, and then this one. There we go. Now that we've got those up, right, should be able to push this whole thing forward, right? So well, that's not willing to come. Alright, so well, I want to do do is get behind there, and the only way to get behind there is to get, well, okay. So how's the tuner connected? The tuner's connected by well, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have to take the whole. Oh man. Right, so if we take that off, right? Take that off. Have to find out where that wire goes. Let's see, where does it go? I have to take the whole tape deck out just to get to. We're going to take the tape deck off, take this thing off, just to get this off, so we can get the radio out, so we can gain access controls to the power button here, which is, I can see has the top, but there's this plastic part in the way. Let's see here. Do we have belts in the motor? No, the belts in the motor are non-existent there, and alright, fine. Well, we seen enough? Okay, I don't know. Well, okay. Pretty. Pick? Okay. Alright, we can't. Let's see, it just doesn't show. No, you see, okay, yeah, we have to, okay, yeah. We have to remove everything. We have to remove this. We have to remove the tape deck. We have to remove these wires from here. We have to take the tape deck out just to get to this power switch, which we can't really tear into the top and play with. Alright, well here, let's just do this. Let's not mess with this right now, okay? But let's get the other, okay, there's that. We got the door out, right? So, well, so, okay, no, that's not it. That's what I need here, okay, so, well, okay, well, let me go get a wet rag, okay? Let me get a rag that's wet, some water, so. Okay, I'm back. I had to go get a wet rag, so I could wet rag this. Right, so. Fine. So much easier to clean. Now you would think that these plastic panel comes off, and maybe it does, but it's got a couple pieces of plastic bits here, and I'm just not so sure I want to violate them and all that, so I'm just going to give this a once over on the inside, just getting the stuff off of it best I can, and so on and so forth. Okay. Alright, that's pretty good, and just over here we can just yeah, this is how I do it. I just spin. Well, here, that dirt came out of there. Let's see if we can get. There, we got that out. Okay, so where's my good working deck, which I didn't play? Let's see here. Now I'm confused. It's the one with all the. Okay, that's what I need is a front, right? Is this the good front? Yeah, this is the clean front. Okay, so, yeah. That's the clean front, and this is the dirty front. Okay, so that's dirty. This is clean. Okay, so we just get, okay, that's right. We took that one off of there. Yeah, we need to remove this puppy. So now just okay, great. So that ever so nicely like that. This up through here. Okay. You know what? Let's get the rag and go in here just a little bit. Alright, so then okay. So now just, yeah, okay, that's good. Now, get this to come through here, right? Okay, now, okay, so now that goes there, that there, that one goes there, that one goes on there, so like that, and we put the gear back in place. Okay, so great, so just snug them. You don't need to, you know, it's like, there we go. So now, alright, so this didn't have a spring, right? And this one didn't have a spring. Okay. So I don't know how. Okay. It didn't have a spring, this didn't have a spring. Where is the good radio? This is the good radio. Okay, fine. So now, that's the eject. Okay, so, alright, so now just, alright, so now, so the lower one goes down low, right? So the lower one goes low. And the higher one goes high, right? Alright, so now just go. So that's on there, right? Okay, and then no other special considerations, right? Just sure wires are held in place. There we go. So, yeah, and then so that's how it's supposed to be, right? We didn't do anything else except remove that, right? Yeah, okay, we didn't do anything else, so. And that's, well, they're both, this is the shinier one, but anyway. Okay, that's on there, right? And we can well, this one had extra screws. This one had a few screws in it, so we'll just put a few of these screws back into here. Alright, so now just, yep. That's good. And then that one there, this one here. Okay. That's a cruddy one too. Alright, so well, we got 1, 2, there, one there. Alright, I'm good. Right? I'd like to, these have both got cred in them. Alright, well, it's not coming apart, just, let's see, which one is the better one? Maybe the better one, about that cred hanging off of them. Let's see here. I think this one came off of here. Okay, so now I'll just tell you what. You know we can turn this one on, right? So radio. Oh, that's right. This only goes up to 90.
At KERA, there's a member benefit available to you. KERA Passport. This is an on-demand streaming service with thousands of hours of KERA TV programs like Nova, Frontline, PBS NewsHour, and masterpiece shows like Victoria. When you become a sustaining member in any amount to KERA, you automatically receive Passport to member benefit. Visit KERA.org to make a contribution and learn more about KERA Passport.
Latino USA is supported in part by Select Quote, reminding listeners they can check a big item off their to-do list and find life insurance that fits them.
So still plays tape. Let's see, we still got trouble. So. Balance. Okay, so, yep. No. Oh. I can't remember. It's just weird. Okay. Anyway, well, that's so much fun. I'm gonna delve into this other one here. Radio works, cassette player works. We've got your tape out, right? And to figure out how to get you this darn power switch. Alright, okay, well, how much have I wasted of your life on this thing here? I can't even tell. I don't know what time I started. I have to look at the thing on the thing here. Let's see, what does this thing say? It just went 36 minutes. Okay, well, you had fun watching me do that. 36 minutes worth. I don't know. Here, let me just... Anybody watching me on this one here? I'll just wave at y'all. Wave again. Okay, so... Alright, so... Mom's going to have a fit with all that. Right there, I got to get the vacuum cleaner out here, so I got this one, that one, and this one we just repaired. Okay, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Got to start another project. Bye-bye.